Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about where you should be using or could be using your lifestyle and branding photos. In my last video, do I need lifestyle and branding photos for my business? I explained all the benefits of getting lifestyle and branding photos. And so if you haven't watched that video, you should. So then you understand why you really need these if you haven't invested yet. But let's move forward with where you will actually be using these images. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to be discussing 3 different ways that you can use these photos in your business. The first one being your website. Your website is your digital storefront of your business and a great place to prominently display your lifestyle and branding photos. From the homepage to the product pages to your blog posts, these images will instantly elevate the visual appeal of your website and create a memorable impression on visitors. The next place you should and could be using these images is on your social media platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest really thrive on visually appealing images. These photos are really tailored to speak about your brand, tell your story, help to connect with your audience. So by using these images on your social media platforms, you are going to be a step ahead of the competition. These photos are really going to engage with like-minded individuals who want to get to know you and they want to buy from your brand. Once I switched to a lifestyle brand for my real estate photography business, I really saw a lot more engagement happening with my clients. I was absolutely shocked at how many people started commenting on my posts, how many people started reaching out for shoots. Like I just started connecting more and more with people. I also met some really good friends on social media just because I was posting more about who I was as a person and a business owner. I was able to really connect with more people. I've also had clients tell me when I meet them in person for the first time, like they follow me on social media, they get my newsletter, they've seen my website, so they've seen my face multiple times, they've heard me talk on video, and they're like, I feel like I already know you, even though we've never met before. Like so many clients have actually told me that. So that right there is reason enough to start using these lifestyle and branding photos today on your website, on your social media platforms, and in your newsletter. They're so powerful. Next up is your email marketing. Email marketing is a very powerful tool that everybody should be utilizing. If you do not have an email list started, start one today. You will not regret this. You own your email list. Nobody can take that from you. Whereas social media marketing, or if you're with a certain brokerage and all of your stuff is on their database, those things can be taken from you. But if you have an email list of your own, nobody can take that from you. Now, using your lifestyle photos in your email blasts can add a huge visual impact to your emails, making them more visually appealing to read and more interesting, helping to just tell the story of what you're trying to get across. So there you have it. There are 3 ways that you can use your lifestyle and branding photos and where and why and how you should be using them. And I hope this helped you to get a better understanding of how you can use them, why you should use them, and where you should use them. Here's a bonus tip. If you have any print materials that you send out, you can always go into Canva, cut yourself out, and add that onto your print materials or add a little photo of you as well. Now, before you have your photos taken, make sure that you have your shoot well planned out so that you are touching all the bases, bringing all the right props, and you have a great idea of what shots you need to get before you even get to your photo shoot. Check out the next video on how to prepare for your branding and lifestyle photo shoot. There's a ton of information in there that you should know before you get your photos taken. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.